Hello guys, it's me Nex. So today I created my own script. Well, one of them is not mine, but credit to the guy who made no cooldown. So right now it'll show you auto GK, which made by me. It has some bugs on it, but once turned on, a transparent sphere around you will appear, and you can use my ball enlarger script so you can easily catch it. But for now, to get my script, join my Discord server. Link is on the top comments, but we'll make sure we'll update the script if we need to. That's all guys, bye-bye. Thank you.